everybody, it's Larry, and welcome to 2 at 2. It's going to be just a couple minutes after 2. I apologize for that. My daughter had her wisdom teeth removed today, and I've been with her all morning, so I failed to get this out at an appropriate time. But here it is. So I'm not going to have the clock, so I can get it out to you as close to 2 as I can. But we'll try and keep it close to 2 minutes. This way I can go longer if I want, and I don't have to answer to anybody. All right, so on familysearch.org, and this works for anybody anywhere in the world. You can go to the main page, and up here where it says search, click on search, and then go to the last one in the list where it says research wiki. Click on that. It will bring you up a map of the world. So anywhere in the world that you're wanting to do your research, doesn't matter where you live, maybe your ancestors went to this part of the world and you're wanting to find records about it, this is useful for that. Or, you can drill down in particular. So let's say that I clicked on Australia. Now I can pick on Christmas Island, Cook's Islands. I can just do Australia here and do New South Wales, Queensland, Tasmania, Victoria. I'm gonna click on Victoria, that sounds cool. So we're gonna go here in the southeast part, and here it is. It has records about taxation, voting records, shipping records, probate, population, immigration, and immigration. It has some online resources that are on Ancestry. You see the dollars, tells you can get these, but you have to go to ancestry.com. But knowing that they're there and clicking on those is still pretty valuable information. The Inward Passenger List, 1839 to 1923, is available at Family Search because they have their own images there as well. And then tombstone transcriptions from various cemeteries are also on Family Search. So 2 out of the 5 are available on familysearch.org without even going to the page site for Ancestry. And this works for all over the world. So next we're going to go to the United States, go to North America, and we're going to pick the United States. I'm going to pick Texas, and see how it brings up a county map. I can click on any of these counties. All right, I'm just going to pick one. Coke County. Sounds kind of like a Dr. Pepper. It was kind of soda pop sounding. All right, so I can pick up that. It has all sorts of information that I can find, where to go. Talks about the different incorporated cities and towns, unincorporated cities and towns that have been part of that county's history. Billion graves, find a grave, Texas gravestones, which is different than the others. We've talked about find a grave. If you're looking in Texas, you can check Texas gravestones as well. Names in stone, different things. It gives you the population, so you see what the growth was from 1890 onwards. You can see that there was actually negative growth in the 1920s and negative growth from World War II up until about the 80s, okay? And recently in 2010, it says that there's a negative population growth in this county. Not overall for Texas, but in this county. Because overall, Texas has been booming during all of those years. Because this is a rural county, more people are moving where the jobs are and moving more urban. But, if you want to get divorce records, death records, it tells you Texas divorces at Ancestry.com. Okay? You can see the index, but you have to pay for the information. Texas Divorce Index is also available at Family Search. U.S. Gen Project, Texas Marriages and Divorces at MyHeritage. So this shows you that MyHeritage has it in their digital collection, but it's not at Ancestry, and it's not over at Family Search. Well, each one has different parts. Like this is 68 to 2010, 68 to 2011, and this has a unlisted time frame. So, and it also says marriages and divorces, where these are divorce indexes. So there you have it. It's a nice way of looking for information for anywhere in the world. So you just go to familysearch.org, click search, go to research wiki, and then you've got Europe, South America, Africa, Asia, Oceania. You have everywhere in the world, and then you can drill down. So if like I said, if I picked Europe, I can pick countries in Europe. I can pick France. I can pick specific counties in France or France in general, and get the information in that way. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Doesn't cost a thing. And I was looking at the statistics for the channel, folks. 40% of the people viewing this on a regular basis are not subscribers. So I appreciate you coming back, but if you click subscribe and click that bell notification, you'll be notified, and that'll help us get to that 10,000 mark. Not that it's an important mark, it's just something that I want to see if we can do it. You know, at first I never gave a thought about how many people, but now now that we're kind of close to 10,000, I'm looking at it going, why not? You know, cool. We'll be a bronze YouTuber. You know, flex, dab, as my kids would say. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Pass it around.